Hello guys, today we will be trolling as a F15. An F15 is a military fighter jet that has a bomb. I will be showing the tools later on, and I will also be refueling. If you don't know what I will be refueling for, it's so then I don't get any cooldowns. So I basically just wait, and then I go do that again. Okay, time to go into a public. Boom. Whoa, that was kind of glitchy. Alright.
I'm gonna go outside!
Almost everyone's
I'm very tired. No, I missed it!
Oh, I got him! I got him! Let's go!
Oh, he's so fucking retarded as kid.
Yo, I think we might have to edit that out. I don't know. By the way, I don't really know how to edit, so that's the problem. It's kind of funny though when I kind of become a fighter.
Jelly!
I'm here to haunt your hopes and dreams.
Nah, bro, what are you doing?
What just happened? How did you do that? What is that?
That's you, bro. That's yourself in 5 years.
Don't go outside.
Is anyone else gonna come to space?
I will.
Come on.
Okay, come on then.
Yeah, I got him.
I revived you.
Got him. Let's go. Alright, time to switch.
I'm still loading!
Thank you.
There's some drugs going on here. There's drugs. There's drugs going on here.
No. Nothing of that. Nothing of that. Nothing of that.
There's drugs in here? What?
Stop it, bro. I'm filming a family-friendly video.
Crazy. Shut up.
Stop it.
I will shoot that RPG.
I'm trying all this.
No! I'm about to clap. That guy's
Come outside, bro.
No, it's the fuck. What? I said that.
It makes me laugh every single time when I do this, by the way. So, like, yeah.
I'ma go, boy. Go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. No. No way, I found another small ray gun.
There's a boss?
I found another small ray gun. No way. This is my second one. These ones are so cute. As you can tell, I have one right here. These are so cute. They are adorable. Damn. I messed it up.
Y'all should have killed me,
No,
bro.
you killed yourself. That's absolutely insane.
Damn, bro. I thought I had
You
it.
killed yourself, bro. That's absolutely insane. Not Sigma at all.
I don't
You're
care
not
if I kill
me.
myself
You
or not.
kill me. I'm gonna go, bro.
Dang. That's mad crazy. Should I end it? I'm gonna do one more. Because
Why
I'm
the fuck is there
really
floating
nice.
light bulb arrow?
I think I got him. Yeah, I got him. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and share the video. And please comment or not.
What's your
And I
YouTube
will,
channel? What's your YouTube channel so I can subscribe?
I'll tell you later after this video. And
Alright, no
I
problem.
will comment and I will read your comments and see what I can do better on my videos.
You missed your boom, turkey.
Bye,
You missed your
bye.
boom.